The method of finding the Spirent TestCenter Virtual license server, which is also known as Spirent Virtual Controller. So license server, which holds the licenses, is the same as Spirent Virtual Controller. And the way to find that is under Downloads, General Release, Spirent TestCenter Virtual, and then just scroll down and you can see Spirent Virtual Controller, VM with USB dongle. For in this one it's KVM, for this one 6.5 ESXi, for this one 6.7 7.0. Below that you're going to find details. You can see the checksum if your security postures that you need to verify anything you download, description, self-descriptive, related resources. This is typically where there's going to be a download guide or installation guide, such as this one example, 6.5. So VM with dongle or virtual controller or UUID. So in the case of demo licenses, where it's pre-sales and you are downloading a version to do a trial for a proof of concept or just to see the software application in use, UUID version is the version that you'll be using. So use that. Skip anything that talks about the dongle, and the instructions that you follow it will tell you that. So starting from scratch, we'll just go ahead and go to support.spirent.com. We're going to come here to downloads. General release, we'll leave that alone. We'll go to product line, Spirent Test Center. Now for general release, we can use that in the future for specific versions of STC for the application. But in this example, we're just going to do virtual. And that's where we scroll down and we can see the different versions of Spirent Virtual Controller, which again is the same thing as Spirent license servers. This is where you're going to install the traditional licenses. Now, Aeon is different, so there will be a different OVA, different file downloaded, but for most cases, the trials are all the traditional licensing. So this is just for now, and then this will be replaced by an Aeon virtual license server post-sale. So after the purchase of Spirent TestCenter Virtual. So thanks. Any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.